Tonto Dike don post another man for her page again no be small tin wey bring different reaction for social media. Blog wey dey call am Remedy blog come out that yesterday, come dey drag her, come post the picture for im page so dem go dey drag her. So na Tonto Dike come out come reply the Remedy blog come dey even promise her fans say make dem no worry, say this man nothing two of them get say na just a friend my correct people no be small tin. And also she come dey promise her fans, which she can't call those are fans, brothers and sisters, say she no go disappoint them again when it come for relationship matter. Child, this one it touched me somehow. So now after that blog come post am say Tonto Dike don post another man say whether they think wetin him they think or she they think, because the blog na no face blog like this too. So now so many fans come out to come dey defend Tonto Dike. The ones wey no know who the Mr. Mayor be come out to come dey bash Tonto Dike somehow, which Tonto Dike come out come do write up to clear her name, you understand. Come dey also promise us, as I tell una, say he no go disappoint again when it come for relationship. Say this time around, say her eye don shine. Say na remember last week she say she no dey give man money and car again. Now say na roll on and the bosses na she dey give my correct people. So anyways, make I remind una, for those of una wey no know who this man be, now remember Tonto Dike, Popogri and Jemina issues that last month and last 2 months now. You get one man where Jemina and the brother been they go meet, where they pass through him, follow go beg Tonto Dike, so that no go leak Jemina secret again. Now him be this now, then they call him Mr. Mayor. Even that initial time where this voice note where this lover leak and that period, that man will come out, can't do plenty write up when they disappointed with Popogri. Now him be this man Mr. Mayor, because now through this, now this man now him go help Popogri talk to Tonto Dike before Tonto Dike agree. Before him and Tonto Dike begin date. So now him make am come out that period after that scandal with Popogri come out, they discuss Tonto Dike matter with him pimp. The man come out to like come the right saying they disappointed with Popogri, how humble Tonto Dike dey for the relationship and all of that stuff. Anyways, before I continue, make I read wetin the blog write and how Tonto Dike used to reply the blog. E dey for this place when I feel read am for myself, but make I read for those people who no want read them. Remedy blog writes, Tonto Dike step out with her son and a man. I don't know who he is. Omo, are you thinking what I am thinking? With 3 emoji wey open eye. So now Tonto Dike can go for the blog under where the blog write am, come write like this. Online brothers and sisters, he is just a friend though. Una no remember when Mr. Mayor come fight for me with 2 emoji. Don't worry, I would not disappoint you people again with 3 love emoji and 3 where they run. My correct people, this one it touch me where she they promise her fans, they follow Nigeria social media brothers and sisters, say she no go disappoint again. Una know say so many things don't happen for her with really, and this time around people back her up well. You know, people support her, people fight for her because of her things where she don't pass through in the past. So now this time around she say she no go fuck up again. But me, I believe say if you do well na for yourself, if you no do well, because social media people they no care. After all, na just comment, they go comment, they no be your real brothers and sisters. If you want to do better, it's for your personal self, not before also be social media brothers and sisters. Anyways, make I go read most of the comments where some with some of the things where they comment under this post for now. The first person for here come talk say, no, I am not thinking what you are thinking. That man is her friend. If you follow the Jemina story, you will know that the man that Jane went to meet asked him to allow her and her brother get audience with Tonto Dike. Now the second person come right for here. Remedy blog, I no know where you pass come out who does not know this man that come to speak out during Jemina and Popogri issues with emoji open. And now the third person come right for here. Everyone want to test with 4 emoji where they laugh. My friend go and sit and test waiting. I beg the last person for here to say this is Popogri friend. Now Mayor, the guy that snatched on Popogri. He was the one that openly said he knows for a fact that his former friend Popogri was knacking Jane Mina. He's now Tonto Dike man friend. The first person for you to say, allow this lady breathe now. What is this now? The second person say, why can't she post in peace? The third person to say, there is nothing to think about. Leave her. The fourth person for here come talk say not at all, just a friend. I think this person stood by her during her hard times with that guy wey im name I no sabi pronounce talk more of to write am with 6 emoji wey dey laugh. The last person here talk say anywhere you find love put head o, men ready to love are not real. First person, think whatever you like. If you are good at your blogging job, you will know who Mayor is to her. Go back to her page, scroll down, or go to Instablog. Check all the posts that happened during Jemina sex tape Popogri issue. Maybe that will help you. May God not let you get HBP, which is high blood pressure for those of una wey no know. So the next person talk say here breakfast loading. The third person here leave her alone. The fifth person here talk say that man look like a man from the church period. The last person for here talk say this Remedy blog very annoying blogger. You say you are a blogger and you don't know this is her friend Mayor that defended her recently with the whole Jemina saga though. Come this one, all of una dey attack Remedy blog. Abeg make all of una calm down, make una BP abeg make it low here. Anyways, my correct people, not this man, as I said earlier, na Mayor na Tonto Dike, will I say na Popogri, former friend, and Tonto Dike friend. Nothing they go on, na just friend. They from church they come back, decided to have a cheap pill, just a bottle of Coke and all of that stuff. You understand? So my correct people, abeg if you never subscribe to my channel, wetin you dey wait for? Like wetin dey wait for SSG? See, I dey bring am come as e dey hot. So anything wey be social trending issues and these SSGs they bring for on my correct people, I beg kindly hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell. That one go make you to be the very first person to get notified each time I upload feature videos. I upload videos for this channel multiple times daily. Anything concerning social trending issues, celebrity, football, anything entertainment general. Now I dey carry come for here. Anyways, my correct people, I go leave una for this place. I go see una for another video on a